Imagine building a software business this year and you don't need to know how to write even a single line of code. Right now, local businesses are paying anywhere between $300 and $500 per month for simple AI automation, and nobody is offering that to them. This is your opportunity. Welcome back to another episode of Viral Decoded. Today, we're breaking down one of the easiest and simplest AI businesses you can start right now today that's easily scalable, that doesn't require any capital to start, and that you can start selling today. I'm going to show you how to take pre-built AI agents, AI templates, and implement them for your local businesses and start generating revenue today. You'll keep almost 100% of the profits, you'll build monthly recurring revenue, and you don't need tech background to do it. Let's dive in. But before I show you how we are going to do this, you need to understand what we are actually going to do. Just think about a local dentist, plumber, or a real estate agent. They're busy running their businesses, which means they're missing tons of phone calls. Any local business, missed phone call is a missed customer. It's just like that. But what if you could install AI voice agent or conversational AI to that business that will work 24/7, that will handle all of the calls, that will book calendars, and even collect customer information? Realistically, all of this is something that those businesses need, but they don't have thousands of dollars to pay receptionists. That's why we are here. We're providing them your own AI employees for $300 to $500 per month. You keep most of the profit and their problem is solved. Now, to make this happen, we aren't building anything from scratch. That will be just too complex. We're using a tool called GoHighLevel. This is one of the best tools on the market to run your own AI business, and you'll see why in a second. Now, normally you can sign up to GoHighLevel for just 14 days for free. But if you really want to do this and you want to follow along, I've partnered with GoHighLevel, and you can join GoHighLevel 30 days for free using my link in the description. This means that you can sign up for free, you can learn all of this, you can start landing clients, and only after you land clients, you'll actually pay, which is just insane. When you sign up for GoHighLevel, you'll be at this screen. As I said, we are not going to build anything from scratch. That's just going to be too complex for anyone to handle. We're going to go to this section called AI agents. Now, in previous videos, I've shown different kinds of voice agents that you can set up here, or text-back agents, but what just happened is insane. You can go to this section called agent templates. And believe it or not, you will see hundreds of AI agents, which are either for specific niches or specific purposes that you can implement for any business in seconds. So for example, here's this Samantha. She sells and demos agents for you. This is basically something that you can implement for yourself. You just click this button, install. The installation process is very simple. Just a few clicks and your agent is live. What's beautiful about this is, for example, you can implement this for yourself, and then Samantha here, AI agent, will sell your agents to your clients, which is just insane. Let's go a few more. So for example, AI voice receptionist. This is something that almost every business needs. They don't even need to pick up their phone anymore. It will collect their inquiry information, help answer FAQs based on available knowledge, and a bunch of other things. You can implement, of course, your own knowledge base from that business, and it will know how to answer all of those questions. What I specifically also like is that you have for specific niches, pet safe AI, plumbing, real estate, marketing agency, restaurants, like pretty much any local business that you can think of, you'll find an AI agent here that you can implement for them and solve a specific problem. Now, what this means for you is that you just need to figure out which one of these businesses have this problem. As you can see, most of these agents are completely free. Some of them are paid, but to be honest with you, you don't need those paid agents. You can search here using niches. As you can see, advertising agency, car dealership, chiropractor, construction consultant, dental, education, energy, and a bunch of other agents that you can implement in just a few clicks. That's why I said the GoHighLevel is probably the best platform for this, because you have this huge library that you can implement right now. No other platform has this. Here you have this huge marketplace of mostly free AI agents that you can implement like this in any of your clients' businesses, and you can start selling right now. So pretty much the learning curve is non-existent for building this. I just want to show you quickly how the setup process looks. So let's say I want to set this up for auto repair service. I'm going to click install. I'm gonna click allow and install. Here it is. You're gonna click on it and look, pretty much everything is set up for you. You can even test it out here. You can have a web call or a phone call. If you want to have a phone call, you need to connect a phone number. You can connect either your own phone number or buy a new number for a few dollars here. By the way, if you want to connect this with your clients' businesses, the easiest way is to get firstly the number here for a few dollars, contact your carrier, then redirect calls to this number, and it's going to take all of the calls. As simple as that. Here in the agent goals, it's going to have the instructions, everything they need to do. What you need to do is you need to upload the knowledge base, because that's the only thing that you need to do for setup of any of these agents. What's the knowledge base? Well, you would need to scrape all of the data that's related to their business. You can ask them that to send you that, like for example, a website copy or anything else. You're going to paste it here in a knowledge base, and that way AI is going to feed on that data, and that's how it's going to answer more accurately. If you don't have a knowledge base, it's just going to be mostly general information, and we don't want that to happen. So as you saw, it's very simple. You go to agent templates, you pick an agent that you want to sell, 2 clicks, and it will copy it to yourself. Then you can just adjust it here, add the knowledge base, and you're ready to sell. And best of all, you can even demo the agent here, which is just insane. Now, as I said, the learning curve here is absolutely non-existent. You're ready to sell this, and that's it. Now you need to find clients. And how do you actually do it? Well, it's incredibly simple, and I've been talking about this for a long time. You're gonna go to Google Maps, and then you're gonna search real estate agents New York. You're gonna open that, and it's gonna show a bunch of these real estate agents. There's probably hundreds of them. It's just gonna show me 20, 30, but there's hundreds of them. And I would even guess like New York is a pretty big city. They probably have this figured out, but for smaller cities is even better. Like if you live in a small city, there's probably 100% of the chance that no business there solved this problem. You're gonna look for the contact. One way is this contact here, but this is usually a customer type contact, which means where customers call them, and you won't get the right person always. That's why I like to go to their website. So let's say this is a website, and I like to search for contact. Here it is. And beautiful thing is here you will find the address. You can actually go there if you live in that city. You have the phone number, you have the email, and you outreach to all this. Now you're probably thinking, okay, but what do I tell them? What do I say to them? Here's what I would do. I would take this website, I would copy the URL, I would go to Gemini, and I would tell it, I want to reach out to this business and sell them voice and conversational agents. Can you give me email that I can send, plus what can I tell them in the call? Beautiful thing is Gemini is able to scrape data of the website, and it will actually give you a very good outreach email and what to say on the call. It's important that you offer a 7-day free trial, because like, especially if you're living in a small city, as I said, not many people have this figured out and they are not aware of the value that it brings. It's important that you give them the 7-day free trial to get your foot in the door. And after they see how much time it saves them, after they see how many more clients they're getting because they're answering all of the calls, or because it's handling Q&A or whatever task you want to fix for them, they're definitely gonna stay, and you'll be able to charge them that. And here, the selling is not the problem. Like if you actually make them $1,000 in those 7 days, which is a pretty high chance if they're a successful business, they're gonna be interested in staying with you for $300 to $500, because it's nothing compared to the profit that you're bringing to them. Once you reach out to them, you explain them using the script and email that we just generated, you set it up in 10 minutes using GoHighLevel, it's gonna cost you nothing because you're on a 30-day free trial. And once they see the money coming in, because you're saving them so much time, you're saving them money, and you're making them extra money, they're definitely going to stay for $300 to $500 per month. And by the way, after 30 days, GoHighLevel is $99 per month, which means you pay once and you can create multiple AI agents at once and keep, as I said, over 90% profit margin. This is hands down one of the best ways to build a high profit recurring revenue business, and you need to be aware of it. If you haven't already, make sure to grab that 30-day free trial from the first link in the description below. I don't know how long it will be available, so make sure to do it now. And if you need a more in-depth tutorial on how to do all of this or any other topic, make sure to comment below this video and I'll try to cover it in the next one. See you.